That's not a country.
Oh, that's a city, but I want to go there.
Right? Okay. He's a Paris.
Morocco.
Morocco. Probably like. We said Japan.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, we said Japan.
For me, it's Japan.
No, Japan.
Japan. There's so many countries though, but like okay.
But Japan is such a good country.
The photo isn't.
Yeah.
Did you guys? Oh wait, I think my photo.
Guys, the dream concert.
Yeah.
If you vote for us, we're gonna perform in Japan.
Yeah.
If you guys can get our frames via Photoism now, right?
Yeah.
It was me and Kyler, you and
Vinci.
Kuya Vinci, Kuya Winston, and Kuya King. Oh no. Yeah, and then just Kuya Razor, right? But some fans actually edited them and they changed the.
This is the template. This is the raw thing, but it's different for the actual frame because the actual frame it's edited as a whole group, right?
Yeah.
Like the whole frame has
Yes.
all the members, so it's not just one member. So yeah, it's cool if you want to take pictures with us because we are not with you. You can go to your nearest Photoism and take some pictures with us. Yeah. And please post it. Please post it so other anchors can know about it, and of course also so I don't know. We can see all your photos with us. Let's get creative with it.
Yeah.
I want someone to slap.
A daw muna tayo. So yeah, thank you for the rose.
And this
Wow,
for the cat. And
What?
For the pusa.
With the cat.
And there's so much coming up for Horizon. I mean, this first anniversary is just the start of us being, out there again. Because there are lots of stuff coming coming soon. Like What's On's Playlist. August 18, meron ba kayo?
Excited na.
Nandun ba kayo?
August 18, kasama natin ang G22, Kaya, Alamat, SB19. And we will have stages with some of them as well.
Yeah.
Have we seen SB19 sa Pilipinas?
Yeah, Philippine Arena.
Yeah. Because I'm thinking we always see them pag nasa
Korea.
Korea. But yeah, we've met. Oh, we're gonna meet again and we're gonna have some special stages for you guys. Some special stages.
Thank you for the dog.
Kasi nga medyo tayo ngayon, napapansin nila parang wala ata tayong masyadong kasi medyo busy kami like preparing for bakit kaya may bagong buhok si
Winston.
Kaya yung buhok.
Wala niya. Oo, nawala niya yung pagkapula.
Anong ginawa?
Ano nangyari? Bakit may papula-pula?
Yung sa balik.
Pero actually yung buhok ko talaga, nung unang kulay niya, black na black talaga yun. Yung ganito. Nag-fade. Kasi from blonde to black and sometimes
you need some special shampoo for
to maintain the color.
Yeah.
I didn't have that. Now it's like ash.
Let's talk about like some memories we've had since our debut. Because do you guys even remember where we performed?
Let's see if
In our debut showcase.
Yes.
Olympic hole. Yeah.
He said Olympic hole.
No, it's a hole. It's a hall. It's not a hole. But I guess it is a big circle. So
Yes.
Olympic
Kasi may butas sa di ba may
Olympic hole. But actually, we're coming back there for concert. Yeah,
Let's
and
go.
we're gonna be there again. And yeah, is it? Do you know if it's his last for his?
I have no clue, but it's gonna be one of his lasts anyway, because
It's been a month.
yeah.
Yeah.
So go cop your tickets if you're not, if you haven't yet, if you're in Korea or if you can, and
fly to Korea.
Hey, give them money. I actually want to taste the cake.
I feel like we should go eat cake.
Walang
So happy 4,000 viewers, guys. Happy 4,000
Hello
viewers.
guys!
Guys, mag-ingat talaga kayo yung mga medyo baha-baha na yung
Lalo na yung mga nasa
like down,
yes,
like
down
level cities. Yeah, please.
Kawawa yung mga tao nakatira sa ano, no? Sa mababang
lugar.
Yeah.
Lower.
Pero first time ko makita yung ganun talaga na kaba.
Oo.
Kasi yung sasakyan makita ko sa TikTok gumagano.
Sa mga probinsya nyo ba na mababa?
Bumaba
Sa
na
akin,
pero
lalo
konti
sa-
lang.
Sa amin kasi bundok eh.
Ah.
Kaya hindi mo. Sa Batangas kasi hindi mo din ganun kabaha kasi hindi siya.
Pagising ko nga kanina, nakita ko agad sa Facebook. Akala ko before lang. Tapos nangyayari na pala yun talaga sa Marikina.
Tapos delikado talaga pag may bagyo kasi kapag ano yung tawag dun sa bubong? Kapag
Yero?
o lilipat siya.
lumilipat just
Kaya wag mo na maglabas sa bahay. Lumabas sa bahay.
Bawal lumabas, pero pag sinabing pag,
Ay, hindi na kami nakakapaglaro ng Vina game.
Yung Vina game?
Yung Vina game.
yeah, the video. We can say it though, like Valorant.
Oh yeah.
We're on TikTok. We haven't played Valorant.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
I
okay.
miss playing.
Maybe
Valorant.
tomorrow I'll bring my,
Baka panoorin ito ni Coach. Ay,
baka pag-relate na kami.
Live. Picture tayo dito.
Woo! Nawala!
Wait. Di ba may lumalabas eh?
Ilan?
Siguro kasi
May timer ba to?
Yes.
Actually, hindi ko nga ito na-try ko. Timer.
Force flash. Oh, there is. Bro, there's no way right now.
Oh no.
Our thing got... No.
Gusto ko na yun.
Pero di ba sindihan mo na?
Hindi na.
Pero guys, thank you pala sa nanonood sa amin ngayon kahit maba dun sa Pilipinas. Alam namin na kapag ba konting ulan, mahirap magkuha ng mga internet ko.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so smart.
Oh, that's why I like to so.
So smart.
Compress.
Okay.
Yan. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. Wait, let's see if it cooks.
Heart. Okay.
Why is it not doing it?
First. Oh, this is your first time to be in the front of live.
Yeah,
Really?
tama.
Congratulations.
Congrats to me. It's anniversary.
Don't want to show them your hair.
No. Sharing there.
Guys, yung lalabas dito, iaabot ko sa a-attend sa Watson's Playlist.
Oh!
Yeah, bibigay namin, i-random iaabot ko to.
Ang ganda.
Basta pa-secret lang. Pag
Kami.
Yun eh.
So, if you want kung ano yung lalabas dito, kung ano,
Kuhain nyo sa
dito,
WhatsApp.
iaabot namin. Tapos walang laman, no? Ganito lang. Okay lang, gusto mo diba?
Drawing na lang.
Yeah, iaabot ko sa random anchor if matandaan ko. Sana madalaw ko siya papinas.
Someone said, hindi daw naniniwala yung pinsan nila na Filipino ang Horizon.
Oh no, how do we prove that we're say 3 words or 1 word lang?
Makakapagpag
Say-
ba?
Yeah.
You're so lame, bro. You're so lame. Just say a phrase that will solidify your Filipino status. Like,
Okay.
it doesn't, you don't have to say ako ay Filipino. Like, say anything that says you're Filipino without saying you're Filipino. A phrase. Oh, go. Ay, may, baka mamayang pa siya. Ikaw muna para maraming times na dito mag-isip.
Kahit ano.
Basta pag sinabi mo yun, ay, oo nga, Pinoy ito.
Ito. Maraming chismosa kahit mabaha.
Yo!
Totoo, di ba? Yan.
Ano ba pwede?
Kung
Mahilig ako dun sa yung may coke sa loob ng plastic tapos may straw.
Oo.
Pagbabayad.
Yeah.
Kaibigan.
That is her.
Ay, patunog!
yung soft drinks.
Yung
pinaplastic yung-
pupunta ka sa
Akala ko yung...
tapos
Dati, ako may bike ako, tapos alam mo yung plastic cup, tapos nilalagay ko sa likod ng gulong. Tapos,
parang gumagano.
Plastic cup na lagi mo sa...
Oh,
Parang
baka hindi ba?
di ba gumagano yung gulong? Tapos lalagay ka.
parang tumutunog.
Parang ganun.
Para kapag bumibilis ka.
Wait, di ba pinag-usap natin ko?
Oo, yung sa akin. Pero siguro yun na lang sa kanya.
Yung sa kanya yung...
Akala niya yun yung pinapag-usapan.
Ano yung ilalagay?
Plastic cup.
Plastic cup. Para
may
may brum.
Para may sabay ng
I didn't know that.
I also didn't
Well,
know.
I'm not a biker. Ako din. Ako din. Yun na yung pagka-Pinoy. Hindi naman. Parang pag may level ang mag-bike. Anong pagiging Pinoy?
Laro tayo patintero
Yung pag, kunyari, sinabi sa, kunyari, Pinoy ka ba? Pinoy ka ba? Tapos kailangan mo paniwala sa akin na Pinoy ka. Ano sasabihin mo?
Quick.
Tama.
Ay, wala.
Kasi wala namang kwento sa
Oh,
mga
ikaw.
Marunong ako mag-ihaw ng bangus.
Hindi ka Pinoy, pwede mo hiyawin yung
Oh, may foil. Oh.
Hindi wala na mag-iihaw, may foil.
Pwedeng wala kasi bubad sa wala.
Parang mas maganda. Parang mas Pinoy pa ako walang foil eh.
Nick.
Pag foil, syempre social na
Nick.
Tapos, important. Ako, red yung hotdog ko. Oh, what? Yo.
Every hot dog is red though.
Hindi, sa ibang bansa hindi rin. Di ba medyo orange lang? Dito, di ba kami nakita yung red na hotdog dito? Oo. Red na yung ganito?
Wala.
Oo, di ba? Wala sa Pinas yun eh.
Juicy.
Tama. Babakat sa foil.
Sa Pilipinas lang ata pula yung hotdog, yung pulang-pula.
Tapos ito pa, Big Mac, sardinas na may malunggay.
Ay, oo, pwede.
Inuulam.
Sasabi ka na ng pagdagan.
Na-try niya yung rice.
Ito naman.
Ay, ito guys. Nung pag wala talaga kaming ulam, nung talagang time nagipit kami, ang inuulam ko, kanin tapos Milo. The best.
Yun!
Sabi naman, wait.
Sarap ng grabe.
Sabi naman,
Patis mantika.
Toyo
Alam ko na.
mantika.
Alam ko na.
Toyo mantika. Di kaya pag may kanin, lalagyan ng tubig tsaka asin.
Meron ka.
Tubig kasi.
Toyo mantika.
Meron ka
Magic
sa
sarap.
Richie. Let's eat.
Ikaw, Rister, ano yung sa'yo?
Malalat ng malalat.
Bago lang.
Oh.
Dapat ko lang ito.
Pwede naman mag-ace ibang bansa eh.
Bago nga lang.
May tao naman.
Ano pa ba?
Guys, let's eat.
Mang inasal.
Pwede yan. Like,
Iba talaga ang Milo. Oo.
Ilapit
sobra.
kaya natin.
Hindi ko pa naulam yung Milo.
Try mo.
Ang try mo,
Sarap.
grabe.
Hindi ako may Milo tayo sa Slider. Hindi ako may sa champurado eh, so hindi na ako may
I like sampurado.
Favorite mo yun, di ba?
Kami dala naman.
Hey, we got
Yun yung
1
lagi nung
million
pinakain sa amin.
likes. Thank you so much, girls.
Nung nagtitraining pa
I
tayo.
hope you're safe now.
Kuha ko pa dun for.
Wherever you are.
Masarap yung ice cream.
Thank you for 1 million likes.
Oh, mother.
1 million likes! Parang nag-hosting lang si Bill.
Yeah. Wait guys, wala ako. Bitchy.
Congrats daw sa 1 million subscribers.
Bitchy.
Thank you.
Ginawa ni Jiro.
Hello!
Sinakayang niya.
Saan niya galing?
Sa ano mo?
May picture siya?
Di ko alam sa kanya.
Saan niya ito nakuha?
Ginawa chik. Bun.
Ay no! Whatever you want.
Guys, sulahan niyo po ko.
Guys, tingnan niyo yung
Kulay.
kailangan kong i-manager. Sinayang ko Polaroid.
belongs to you.
Pero dati talaga, nahilig ako maligo sa ulan.
Magbisaya daw tayo. Magbisaya daw.
Did you guys know that I'm a pluviophile person?
What?
Yeah.
What is that?
You don't know that?
Beautiful?
Like, I'm loving rain.
Hindi siya gumita.
What's it again?
I love the rain.
Can you say the word again? Pluviophile. Wow, I learned something new.
Eh, chopstick ulit.
Wow.
Jiro, bigay mo sa akin gumita. Bigla.
Ano pa yan, Wilson?
I love
Pero
the
nasa labas ka na, nasa gitna.
Happy anniversary.
rain weather.
Wait.
Yo guys!
Thank you.
Ano class, no?
Bilisan natin kumain pag lumabas si Jiro.
Wait. Can you move for a bit?
Alam mo yun, gawin natin yun! Oh, gawin natin! Yung magbabato-bato.
Lalabas mo? Ano ganito?
Yung
Doon lalabas.
O sino? Dapat lahat. Ikaw, maibataya.
Kainin muna ako!
Hindi, bawal! Victory, bagal mo eh.
Dapat may group para mas
Walang
madali.
group. Walang group.
Wala isa lang.
Nakadali yun eh.
Wait, naibata.
Mas may...
Paano?
Kasi tingnan mo, isa lang yung magbabato-bato, tapos pag natalo yung group nyo, kayo tatakbo.
Magkagrupo kami,
Oo.
tapos magkagrupo.
Hindi, mas maganda yung...
Hindi naman tatakbo, lalayo lang. Grabe naman yun.
Mga 30 seconds lang yan.
Hindi, magra-running in place ng... Hindi,
30 seconds.
ito lang. 1, 2, yun lang. Tapos kayo doon lang.
Hindi na kami nakakain.
Ha?
Dahil kumakain
Depende,
na sa
kung
J-Rock.
ano ka sa matubig.
Magtunog ba ito? Mas maganda pag ganito kasi individual, hindi mag-ano.
Oo nga,
group
tara na.
na.
Oh, wait lang, ano?
Bato-bato, pick. Bato.
Ganyan.
Bato-bato, okay?
Hindi, representative na lang. Oh, big.
Ayun,
Kami.
representative.
Tapos, pag natalo siya, saan ka bang team? Sabi
Dito,
sa kanya.
dito.
Oh, pag na... tayo na lang kung bato.
Yan o, tatlo na kami.
Uy, tama naman, dadaya, maglalaro nga eh.
Oo, sino manalo sa atin?
Nakatakbo, ubos mo
Sino
na
manalo sa atin?
Sino yung kakain, tapos pagbalik namin,
Tapos tatakbo.
yun na yun.
Sa MC na. Sa...
Grabe naman.
Tara.
Pag-akit namin dito.
Ito na.
Bato.
Hindi, ganun.
Kanina pick ka.
Atin, syempre.
Wait, teka.
Bato, pick. O, kain.
Oh, takbo. Tapos balik. Oh, bakit? Wala, tapos na. Bakit green? Okay, isa pa.
Dahil dapat dun eh.
Wala, dito lang. Kasi pag tinagalan namin, sa apat kayo, edi ubus yung namin na.
Pero nakatingin pa lang ako, balik na kaagad.
Wala! Oo! Kaya nga! Dapat mo nga eh! Dapat marunong ka! Ay, talo tayo! O, hindi tama ka eh!
Ready na kayo.
Grabe na ka ganun agad dapat wala! O, taas kamay!
Kaya na ito.
Taas kamay!
Taas kamay, oh.
Go.
5, 6, bato, pick!
Talo.
Oh, balik na ako. Bawal.
Sige.
Last round! Last round!
Wait lang. Sige, last round pero may tatanong ako sa inyo muna.
Oh. Ay, huh?
Kasi after nyo mag-ganito, tatanong ako.
Alam, madaya ka dapat mag-isip agad eh.
Go!
Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Oh!
Oh, tapos na dito ako.
Okay, balik mo sa point. Kain na tayo ng normal. Yakin ng kamay.
Bagal mag-chopstick, right?
O, ayun yung Pilipino. Nakita nyo ngayon yung matatakaw sa horizon, di ba?
Congratulations. Team Mark.
Pero parehas lang na-
Marwis team.
Sayang yung
So, hindi tatanong ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginanon nyo eh. Example, kung ganito ka, ano to?
Ano?
Okay, let me hold this.
Wait, can you, let me just put it.
Nawala yung...
So guys,
Kaya nga, nawala nga eh. Okay.
Unitin ang sedula.
kain tayong cake guys.
Okay, wait, you guys hold out the live first. I have to wash my hands.
Go. The cake is so good. Pali?
Ubusin namin to pagdating nila. Wala na.
Dapat ganun, no?
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Do I have something on my face?
Wala.
Ugliness.
Wow.
No!
You too.
No. I have two face.
What?
That's so brutal, bro.
The one in your forehead is more okay.
But your face, no? Laki.
Oh, yeah.
Last.
Guys.
Alright.
I'm good, I'm cool. Bro, your mouth is your
Okay.
fault.
I'm just
Hindi ko
gonna.
pala tayo kumakanta ng happy birthday for our debut.
Okay, let's go.
Kanta tayo happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sinto na nga doon si Reggie. Bakit may kailangan ba na doon? Oo, dapat.
Happy
Dapat may soprano.
Happy birthday.
Okay, choir version.
Okay.
Okay, choir version.
Sige, no, seriously.
No, we're doing choir version. You start.
Wait, who sings the...
Highest ako.
Okay.
Kami dalawa.
Ako yung highest.
His mouth is blue!
I know!
Your mouth is blue!
Ano ba man?
Your mouth is normal.
Blutistic kasi to.
No.
Bluetooth.
Yo, bro.
Chill.
Okay. Happy birthday.
No, wala din yung tinanggal na naman.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Galing, no?
Congratulations, Horizon. Don't move, Kuya Winston, whatever you do.
Pakita mo to. Ito yung ibibigay natin.
Wait a minute.
Okay, let's read some comments. 4,000. Kita ba?
Wow, 4,000.
Hindi ko sure.
Nawala ko ba?
Pa-shout out daw.
Ayan.
Shout out.
Shout out daw eh. Okay. 09's pose. What is an 09's pose? Okay.
Yo, thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose. Nose. Knees. Nese. Knees.
Thank you for the earthman.
So, guys.
Thank you for the heart.
A muna kayo. A. Okay. But yeah, guys, again, I know we're having, a little bit of fun here celebrating Horizon's anniversary, but again, sa mga tao dyan na
Bump into my knee.
for the people for the people that are experiencing floods, and not just floods, just the heavy rain. We know, some of the houses out there, they're not perfect, they're not built for this type of weather. And I'm sure some of you guys are experiencing some hardships inside of your household. So, I just hope, I pray that all of you guys are safe and have good enough shelter to, to provide for the day and for the next few. So yes, guys, God bless you all. And
Stay dry.
Stay dry.
Stay dry.
If you can't stay dry, stay safe. Okay?
Stay safe
That's all that
always.
matters. Alright.
Always.
Anyways,
Happy birthday to
Horizon. Yeah. Actually, here in Korea, it's also raining. Like for the whole day, it's been like a little bit like there's rain coming out, but it's not as heavy as
In the
it is in the
Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah. Anyways, we just reached 1.5 million likes. I think
Wow.
this is the most likes we might
Yeah.
get in a live, guys.
That's true.
If we reach 2 million likes here, this is gonna be the most we'll ever reach.
Thank you guys for watching. Okay, first of all, I just want to thank you guys for celebrating our first anniversary
Yeah.
with us, and
Together.
sana nag-enjoy kayo and stay safe. I love you. We'll always be here to make you guys happy, and I hope happy kayo kapag pinapasan namin kayo.
And also, kita-kits talaga sa Watsons na magaganap. Doon, madaming masasayang bagay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Samanaton.
And then,
Samanako.
yeah, marami pa kayong abangan sa amin, and stay updated lang.
There are lots of
See you soon!
Yay!
What about people at front? Do you guys wanna,
guys.
or Kuya Kim?
Siyempre ako, alam natin na meron taong malayo sa mga pamilya. And naikot ngayon sa Manila. And then, ayun. I-call nyo lang yung mga family nyo. Pag may problem.
Yes.
Ako, hindi ko talaga alam yung i-react ko ngayon. Gusto ko sana mag-ingay pero hindi ko alam kasi nga super grabe yung nangyayari dyan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Kaya take care talaga everyone.
Yes.
Take care, everyone. Ingat po.
Ingat
po. And to our families as well. Hope you're
Yeah.
safe. And we're safe here. So don't worry about us. Just focus on you guys for now. And
Fighting.
yeah, let's have fun for also the remaining days that we have. I mean, we're not remaining days. Like we're like the remainder of the year.
Yeah. That's not so.
The remainder of the year. Not the remaining day. I was like, what? No, but because there are lots of things that are coming in the few days, so let's try to stay positive and lagi lang watch out. Lagi lang watch out. Lagi lang watch. Lagi lang watch out. Lagi lang watch out. Lagi lang watch out. Lagi lang watch out
for our